Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect to the internet on the Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. First, go back to your home screen, and from the home screen swipe down with 2 fingers to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon on the bottom, then tap on network and internet. Next, tap on internet, and then tap on the Wi-Fi that you would like to connect to. In here, put in the Wi-Fi password. Now tap on the connect button or the yes button. And once you have put in the correct password, you should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. After that, you can open up your Google browser and browse for web pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.